Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we're going to be making a delicious plate of beef and broccoli. So this is some fresh frozen washed broccoli that I've already rinsed and strained. And then I have all of my ingredients to the side. So I've got some broth over here. I've got some Lipton secret recipe. I've got Italian dressing, some Worcestershire sauce, salt, pepper, and of course my beef. And I'm going to be cooking this beef and broccoli recipe in my Instant Pot. So of course I'm going to start by spraying with nonstick cooking spray. I'm going to add in my broth and then I'm going to place the beef in the bottom of the Instant Pot. I'm going to cook this first because with vegetables it doesn't take long at all to cook the broccoli. So I'll drizzle in the Italian dressing, add in the Worcestershire sauce, and then I'm going to add in half of the salt and half of the pepper. Now, once I've cooked it, I'm going to release the pressure, and then I will now add in my broccoli. So the meat I cooked for about 25 minutes, and now I'm adding in the broccoli because it's not going to take that long to steam it. And then I'll add in the rest of the salt, the rest of the pepper, and then I'll sift in the Lipton's recipe secrets. I'm going to sift it because my kids don't like the onions that are in this seasoning pack. And then we'll cook this for another 20 minutes or so. That's it. Once it's done, I'm going to serve my beef and broccoli over a bed of rice. So you have a nice, simple, and delicious home-cooked meal. So thank you all so much for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you have not done so already. Turn on your notification bell, and I will, of course, talk to you in the next video. Bye for now.